Hello guys and Merry Christmas. So today I'm back here with another video. Sorry that it's not a progress update on my other game, but today we're going to be doing something pretty cool. We're going to be creating a game with just only code. And you might be wondering, how are we going to do that? So what I'm saying is, by only code, is I can't insert any parts into the workspace, use any models, use anything. I can't create any objects into the workspace, so I have to delete the base plate and the spawn location. So I just have nothing to work with. And how I'll do the game is I'll put a script in script service that will set everything up. So I'm not going to bore you guys with, how to code and stuff, but the way I'm going to do this is, if you say instance.new part and you parent it to workspace, what that basically does is it creates a new part and it puts it in the workspace. And you might be wondering, well, all that's going to do is put a part in the workspace. How would you turn that into a game? Well, you would want to actually turn that into a variable. So you would put local part equals instance.new part, and then parent it to workspace, right? And then you could just say part dot size equals vector3.new, and then whatever you want. So this would be the size. So it could be 5, 5, 5. So 5 by 5 by 5. So yeah, if you run the game, and then if you say part dot anchored equals true, because you want to make sure the part is anchored, and then you just run the game. You see it puts a part into the workspace, and I didn't even do that, just the script did it. And you'll see the size will be 5 by 5 by 5, just like that. So yeah, that's how I'm basically going to be creating this game. So how do we do this? I guess let me see what I would want to make though. We can make an obby. We can just create a function, and we can say setup obby. And then you can just start scripting. So then you could say, let's create a spawn. So you could say local spawn. That's one word. I'm gonna capitalize it. Spawn. Wait, no. Spawn equals instance dot new part workspace. So this will be where the player spawns in. You can say spawn dot size equals vector3 dot new. We could say 5, 1, 5, or actually 0.5, and then we could say something like 3, just like that. So that would where is it? Oh, I didn't call a function. Setup. So it's not anchored. Spawn dot anchored dot anchor equals true. So then if you run the game, boom. That's way too small though. Okay, and then boom. So if we compare that to a player, don't call this cheating, by the way. If we compare that to a player, that is good enough. So how are we gonna get rid of this these studs? Let's do that really quick. Alright, just got rid of the weird stud stuff on it. So how I did that is it just said spawn.topService equals enum.serviceType.smooth. Because whenever you create a part, it makes it to where it's has studs on it and stuff, which is kind of weird, and I don't know why it does that. So yeah, that's setting up the spawn, but obviously the spawn doesn't work, because if we actually played the game, like we for real played the game, we wouldn't spawn on that. We would just, well, the only reason I fell on it is because I spawned up in the sky and then fell on it, but we wouldn't actually spawn on it. We would just spawn in the air somewhere. So what we'd need to do for it to spawn on it is we would say then we could say character.human_rootbar.c4, and that should work. Yep. All right. Just that it's a little glitch, so we need to say plus vector3 dot new 0, 5, 0. So that will put us right on top of the spawn pad, just like that. Boom. So our spawn is working. And hold on. Don't call this cheating. I'm not gonna keep this in here. I just want to grab the decal from this, the ID of it. Don't call that cheating. Alright. Then I want to make the decal for it, so we could say local spawn decal equals instance dot new decal. And we can put the parent to spawn. And then we can say spawn decal dot texture equals that. And then if we play the game, that should give it the spawn thing. Oh, it's on the wrong. Hold on. What face would it need to be on? Top, yeah. Then we can say spawn decal dot face equals I think it's a string, so top. Yeah, there we go. Well, it looks just like the normal spawn location, but it's technically just a fake. Alright, so now for the actual obby. Alright, I think we should also put this inside of a function on variable, and then we can just go like that. Alright. Yeah, okay, so it works the exact same, it's just in a function now, which makes it a little bit cleaner. Okay, now for the obby itself. Alright guys, so I'm back. I was just doing some scripting and I created some jumps. So yeah, you can jump on these platforms now. And again, just so you know, I'm not cheating. There is literally nothing in the workspace. It was all done from code. So basically what this is, it's a for loop. It loops 10 times, creates a platform, and it stores the last platform, sets its position to the last platform, and then goes forward a bit. So yeah, and I'm just gonna create the ending now. So okay, so guys, I've been doing some scripting and this is what I have. So there's some jumps here, and you just gotta complete all these jumps, and then if you make it to the green part, you touch it, and then you get kicked. Thanks for playing. So yeah, nothing in the workspace. Alright, so I decided I wanted to add a skybox as well, but obviously I'm not just gonna insert into the workspace like a normal person. I'm gonna just make it in code. because you know this video is just about making the gaming code. And so if you run the game, skybox, yep, it changes to this. And yeah, there's our obby. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, and if you would like to see me make videos like this where I just make random stuff like games, then let me know, because I liked making this. So yeah.